Living friends and family, I just wanted to give a big shout out to LSP and thank them for helping to partner with Carrie McDermott, a great Young Living leader and friend, along with myself, Star Moree, Young Living Diamond, to create some amazing DIY books, keeping it simple and keeping it fun. Easy ways to share the premium starter kit with your Young Living friends and family, along with taking that next step into wellness, purpose, and abundance with Young Living. So we have a 4-book bundle that you can find through LSP. Look under DIY. Look for DIY Beauty for simple beauty recipes. DIY Lifestyle for simple DIY home lifestyle opportunities, as well as DIY Wellness, your first steps into the world of wellness, along with DIY Abundance, a great roadmap to helping you build your Young Living dreams with a simple how-to book and workbook built in one. Thank you, LSP, and click on DIY to find your 4-book bundle. Thank you.